Hello and welcome to my channel again. This is Sapna from Sapna Master IELTS, and I'm going to tell you about another QCA topic, that is a bad service you received in a restaurant. So what to write and what to speak, how you can prepare the mind map, brainstorming में क्या-क्या reasons होने चाहिए, I'm going to tell you. So first of all, whenever we are talking about something, we have to talk about the introduction of a cue card. You cannot just jump into the introduction ki सीधा I went to a restaurant with my friend and service कैसा था ये वो. We cannot talk about that. But yes, we can start with that bad service in restaurants can significantly impact the dining experience. और इसकी वजह से ही customers frustrate होते हैं, dissatisfied होते हैं. इसमें slow service, rude staff, incorrect orders, ये सब कुछ overshadow कर देता है अगर best food भी हुआ तो भी. So here you are going to talk about a bad experience you had when you went to a restaurant. अभी recently open हुआ in our town. We booked the venue. हमने पहले 20 people के लिए venue order वो book किया था, but actually upon arrival things started to go downhill. मतलब things जो थी वो opposite होनी शुरू हो गई. डाउनवर्ड ट्रेंड जिसको बोलते हैं सो वैसा आया सो व्हेन वी रीच देयर वाज नो प्रेपरेशन सो वी वर ऑलरेडी एग्जॉस्टेड बिकॉज वी वेटेड देयर फॉर 2 hours. I have given you the words, I have marked those words जैसे feeling frustrated and hungry. Now this is jiren and we are using it in our speaking because this will be impressive and will provide me good points. Also I have marked the words like जैसे यहाँ पे to make the matters worse when our food finally right, it was not per our order. So I have used the connectors which will change, which will not be monotonous and boring जैसे बाकी सभी लिखते हैं. So abhi we last maybe the end is also important. You can see that it is feeling disappointed, taught me the importance of effective communication and rectify any issues to ensure a positive dining experience. I have also given you the kind of follow-up questions what are asked, so you can go through that and you can pause the video, you can watch that. And if you liked the vocabulary now, just hit the like button and you can share with maximum students. I will be sharing the sample answers of all other cue cards as well. So just keep watching. Thank you so much.